So on today's Shotcut tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually look a little bit younger on your videos by removing some really damaging wrinkles from your face by using Shotcut. So let's go ahead and see how we can reverse time using the Shotcut video editor. Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. On this channel, you'll learn how to be creative, and I'll teach you the tools you need to create. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to help the channel create more content like this. Okay, so I think anybody out there would gladly take away a few years or maybe a lot of years and remove some of these wrinkles. Now, I think anybody who's ever used a smartphone will see some of these filters called beauty filters that actually make them look younger. And so there's something that's really similar that we could use within Shotcut. And even though it won't completely remove all the wrinkles from your face, I will say it will make you look younger, and it's actually free, no plastic surgery required. And so all you have to do is once you bring your clip in, you would go here to filters and then add a filter and then type in noise. And you'll see reduce noise. There's like 4 different ones, and I've tried all of them, but the one that actually works the best is this thing called reduce noise quantization. So if you choose this, what it's basically going to do is it's going to blur some of your video. So there are some options here. There's quantization and strength. And so obviously the more you increase it, the more it blurs. And you could also increase or decrease the strength. And so let me show you the difference between the two. So I'm going to uncheck this. And I'm also going to go ahead and zoom in closer. Let's say 200%. Look at that lovely wrinkly old face, and as you can see there's my wrinkles. Not great, but I definitely don't want to get any plastic surgery. And so once you apply this filter, go ahead and check it back on. You'll notice that it did remove some of these, and as I'm playing this, you can tell that it does a pretty good job. And while it's not absolutely perfect, a lot of the smaller wrinkles you can't see, and then the bigger wrinkles, they're softened. And if you actually zoom out and look at this video, it's really hard to tell if you're actually watching this like on a smartphone or on a smaller screen. But even on the bigger screen, I could easily tell that if I have this noise filter off, I definitely have a few or maybe a lot more years of wrinkles on versus having it off using this filter. Now, the main drawback with this is it's really going to soften the rest of your video because really that's what it's used for. But I found it really interesting that I can use this video filter to actually apply, a beauty filter like you would have in your smartphone and just, make you look a little bit younger, and then for some cases a lot younger, all for free. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, or any other ways in which you can actually make yourself look younger on video, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my Shotcut tutorials and tips, I will leave a playlist in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For the best value in domain names, check out Namecheap, where you can get a domain for an entire year for less than $10, plus get WhoisGuard privacy protection for free. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.